Ahoy, my lovely students! This is your master teacher Amit Modak, and today I have brought two lovely questions for you. So let's go straight to the question. The first one is a brain teaser, another one will be straight from China. So let's start with the brain teaser. It says with a double pan scale and only four weights 1 ounce, 3 ounce, 9 ounce, and 27 ounce. How does one measure 15 ounce of sugar and then 25 ounce of sugar? So the question says कि हमारे पास चार ही weights हैं 1 ounce, 3 ounce, 9 ounce and 27 ounce है और हमें इन्हीं चारों को यूज करते हुए we have to measure 15 ounce in a one go and then we have to measure 25 ounce of sugar. Okay. So what is a double pan scale? You can see here. Now I would ask everyone to pause the video and try to solve it. All right. So now let's discuss this problem. So we have to measure 15 ounce of sugar. Okay. Let me take the balance. Okay. Suppose we have a balance like this. We have a pan on one side, another pan on another side. Now, what we'll do to measure 15 ounce of sugar, we will put on one side a 27 ounce weight. 27 ounce वाले weight जो होंगे उसको हमने एक साइड डाल दिया क्योंकि हमारे पास 15 ounce के तो है नहीं. So we'll put a 27 ounce on this side. On another side, we will put a 9 ounce and a 3 ounce weight. We'll keep two weights on the other side. So what will happen? ये हमारा बैलेंस कुछ इस तरह से हो जाएगा because 27 ounce is being greater and this is being lesser. So 9 plus 3, it will be at 12 ounce only. On this side, it's 27 ounce. So now we will start filling sugar. Okay. Suppose we have taken some container in which we'll take some sugars. Okay. So once we put the sugars on it, slowly and steadily, what will happen? A time will come when it will get balanced. Okay. Considering a no weight of this container. Okay, let's say we are taking any sort of plastic and all where we will be filling the sugar. Okay, we are not considering the weight of that bag or something. So on this side we get a 27, on this side 12 will be there and more sugar we are adding on it. So ultimately how much sugar we are getting? 27 minus 12, we get a 15 ounce. We get a 15 ounce. So this is how we will get 15 ounce. Now what about sir 25? Yes, on 25 also we can get. So suppose on one side if we put a 27 ounce, okay, and another side let's say we are putting 3 ounce. Now let's say we are adding one more ounce on 27 side. So now it becomes 28 and on this side it's 3 only. So now 28 ounce on one side of the balance and on another side we have a 3 ounce. So we'll take a bag and again fill sugar on it till the time it gets balanced. So once it gets balanced means on this side it's 28, on this side also it is becoming now 28. So that means how much weight has been put into it? So 28 minus 3, that gives 25 ounce. So we will get 25 ounce once again on the other side. Okay. So now let's move to another very fantastic question straight from China. So there's one of the Chinese problem that has been asked in one of the repeated exam. So it says find all the non-negative integers for x and y, provided x square minus y square equal to 49. So we have to find all the non-negative integers for x and y, where x square minus y square equal to 49. So let's solve this. So x square minus y square can be written as x plus y, because we have learned about the identities. So x plus y and 2 x minus y is equal to 49. Now we have to think about all non-negative integers. Now if we think about the factors like 49, how it could be, it's like 1 into 49. Okay, it could be 49 into 1, and it could be a 7 into 7. We are taking only the positives. Now this x plus y, this x plus y has to be a positive, and this is only possible when we have two positive integers. Similarly, x minus y has to be a positive only, and this is possible when we are taking the positive integers. Okay, as it is being asked here, non-negative integers, that means the positive integers we have to think. So in that case, if we say that x plus y, okay, x plus y has to be a positive, and x minus y has to be a positive only. So if I take the case of 1 and 49, so x minus y, when we will do 1 minus 49, that will give us negative. So that means we have to ignore that. Can we take 49 and 1? Yes, 49 plus 49 and 1. Yes, it's possible. We are taking both as positive. So 49 and 1 and 7 and 7. So we can take here x plus y equal to 49 and x minus 1 equal to 1. So solving this, okay, we can make this as a case 1. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 50 if we add it. So we get x equal to 25. Now if I am getting x to be 25 as a positive integer, what would be the value of y? We can just put in any of the equation. 25 minus y equal to 1. So y would be 25 minus 1, that's 24. So we are getting as a integers 25 and 24. So if I take 25 plus 24 and 25 minus 24, I will get a 49. Now let's look into the case 2. If we see the case 2, let me take another one. Let's say we are taking up another case. Case 2. Case 2 can be taken as x plus y equal to 7 we are getting. Okay. Taking as a positive. Similarly, x minus y equal to 7. Now let's cancel them, positive negative, by adding. So 2x is equal to 14. So we are getting x equal to 7. Now putting value of x equal to 7 here, we are getting y equal to 0. So that means we are getting another set of positive integers, that is 7, 0. So this is the two cases, two sets of integers. We are getting 7, 0 and a 25, 24, which will give us 49. If we put the values of x and y. I hope you enjoyed these two amazing questions.